Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community. So one of the other sections, it's called the For You section, and it usually shows up at the top. For You is an intuitive section. YouTube put it there. You could take it down, but what it does is when people get to your channel, based on what they've searched and based on what you have, they guide people on what to go to next. You can't really steer it too much, but these are your options. Your options are to take it down, remove the section completely, or you can go to your more settings and you could say you want them to show only videos or only your live streams. And you could also decide if you want them to show older content or recent content or all content. You get to decide whether you choose all of it, some of it, or again, none of it. All right, so then let me show you what that looks like. It's usually at the top unless you move it, because you can move your sections any way you want. This is my For You section, and this is what YouTube thinks I will want to see. And so you can scroll, they're trying to guess your interest. I have a Senior Tuber members, and I want people to know, I want them to get exposed as much as I can. I'm proud of my group. I want to share everybody. So if you join my group, the membership, you get to be showcased here on my page in one section. These are channels only. If you can see a round design, it's a channel. If you see a square design, it's called a thumbnail. So in this case, it's all the channels of the Senior Tubers that want to be on this part of my channel. Then we have all the other sections. You can be really creative if you want to. So here's a thing that happens a lot. People either have another channel or they do a lot of podcasts where they do not own their own material. What do you do with that? Because you can't copy an exact podcast onto your channel for different reasons. Sometimes because you can't have the same content twice, even if it's two different channels, and you might not have the rights to it. So in this case, I recommend that you start a section of podcasts. I went to all my podcasts and I added them to this section. Now, you may not get credit, you don't get YouTube credit for it, but people will go to your channel to see it. You can still share it from here. There is a feature with YouTube called clipping, where you can clip 1 minute long or less clipping of any video, yours or somebody else's, provided they gave permission to clip it. And here automatically will show up as a clip. And then people could actually see what you thought valuable enough to clip. Maybe you clipped it to show it to one person or to put it onto somebody's Facebook page. And you could take it down if you don't want the world to see it. But if you don't care, if it's a really important clip, look at this really great piece I want you to share, or this is from my video, or this is from a video I watched, and you could share it here. And then they post it here. And it's kind of cool because people will see what you're clipping. Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.